Coming to you live. Can't really see out here. Coming to you live from motherfucking Florida. Trying not to get that license plate in the picture, but we here figuring it out. Hurricane Irma. I'm gonna be doing updates and stuff, you feel me? It ain't too bad though. It's raining, a little rain. I'm in the garage, you feel me? But I'm about to hit this corner right here. I got a little leeway. It's dark, so I cut the light on so y'all kind of see. But this way is flash. Oh, that didn't help. I put the flash on, but yeah, that didn't work. It's kind of like a dead end right there. It's a cul-de-sac around the corner. But around this way, if I follow this way, oh, you really can't see. Ooh, that rain wet on my face, damn it. But yeah, this is horrible. This is horrible. Can't see shit. Let me stand over this way. The sky kind of just fell out. That's why the ground is wet. And then it stopped. It stopped. It was pretty instant. But you can still hear it though. Well, I can hear it. I don't know what you hear. Let's see. Smell good out here though. This is coming from in the house, fried chicken and stuff. I hear them people over there. What they doing? Y'all so nosy. Look at y'all zooming in and them people shit. What you trying to see? Ah, who that? Oh well, my camera sucks. So anyway, we're coming back over here now. And really, I'm not going anywhere. Just in case my house arrest deputy see that I'm inside the garage. All right, y'all. Y'all be safe out there for other people who out here who thugging it out. And the bottom of the map, baby. We in Florida. Hurricane Irma.